Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Potato tornadoes, a fun and delicious appetizer. You can have these straight off the skewers. So let's make these tornadoes or potato spirals. So this is a potato spiral cutter that can easily be found online. So first insert the yellow spiral cutter into the skewer and insert the skewer into a potato. Then attach this white grip onto the other side of the potato and secure it. Now bring down the yellow spiral cutter onto the other side of the potato and start rotating it. So either you can rotate the spiral cutter or the potato, whichever is comfortable for you. And slowly you can see the potato is cutting into these beautiful spirals. Now carefully remove the white grip and the cutter from the skewer and just very carefully separate the spirals. Now without this spiral cutter, you can cut these spirals with a skewer and a knife. So insert a skewer to the bottom of each potato and take a sharp, thin knife, keep it at an angle and cut it in the opposite direction you are turning the skewered potato, cutting all the way to the skewer. So working this on a spiral motion from one side to the other. And here you go, our second spiral potato is also ready. Likewise, prepare all the potatoes. Now let's make a coating for these tornadoes with some flour, corn flour, red chili powder and salt. Add little bit of water, mix it and make a semi-thick batter. Heat some oil in a pan and while it's getting heated up, take each potato spirals and pour these batter on top of it, coating it very well all over the potatoes and place it onto this hot oil. Keep the heat on medium and fry these till it gets crispy. Our first tornado is ready. You can have this tornado just like this, or you can sprinkle some masala on top of it. It's made with some salt, garlic powder, tomato powder and some chaat masala. Sprinkle these masalas onto the spiral when it is hot. And here it is, our potato tornadoes or potato spirals or potato twisters, whatever you call it. The amazing tasty appetizer is ready. So do try out this recipe. You can also drizzle some mayo on top of these potatoes and enjoy. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.